Kooringal Lodge did not simply exist, it rose. Not in a sudden, jarring thrust, but with a deliberate, artful purpose, as if the land itself had exhaled a perfect structure into being. A vision of Reece Keil Architects and the meticulous craftsmanship of PJH Constructions, this 795 square meters masterpiece was a sanctuary, a multi-level poem written in timber, stone, and glass. It was not a house, but an experience, tucked away on a secluded 1.4-acre lot where the only sounds were the whisper of the wind through the leaves and the distant murmur of a seasonal creek. The approach itself was a prelude to the perfection that awaited. A long, sweeping driveway carved a path through the lush greenery, a deliberate descent into a world apart. At the end of the road, the home revealed itself, a striking fusion of modern alpine style and serene bushland retreat. The structure's clean lines and dramatic angles were softened by the warmth of its materials. Matte black accents provided a sharp, sophisticated contrast to the rich hues of timber and the earthy textures of stone, a deliberate dance between stark modernity and timeless natural beauty. To step inside was to be embraced by a sense of soaring space and light. The foyer gave way to an expansive living area where a vaulted timber ceiling reached for the sky, crowned by a majestic, black steel chandelier. Sunlight poured in through floor-to-ceiling windows, illuminating the wide oak floors and bouncing off a magnificent stone feature wall that anchored the room. It was here, in this grand hall, that the home truly spoke its language, one of effortless luxury and calm sophistication. Just beyond, the dining area mirrored the living space's dramatic flair, a place designed for both intimate gatherings and lavish celebrations. The kitchen, a chef's dream, was a study in functional elegance. Sleek black porcelain benches offered a stark contrast to the timber cabinetry, and the oversized oven and induction cooktop hinted at culinary adventures waiting to be born. An integrated fridge and dishwasher disappeared seamlessly into the cabinetry, a testament to the home's commitment to clean, uninterrupted lines. The true soul of Kooringal Lodge, however, lay in its seamless connection to the outdoors. Bifold doors from the main lounge peeled back to reveal an expansive alfresco area, where an outdoor kitchen stood ready for a summer barbecue. Below, a sunken fire pit beckoned with the promise of starlit nights and shared stories. The home was a master of many moods. A sprawling terrace with a built-in bar overlooked the glistening heated pool, while a large balcony offered a quiet, elevated vantage point to take in the endless green canopy. Retreating from the communal spaces, the master's suite was a world of its own. A large picture window framed the tranquil treetops like a living painting, a constant reminder of the serenity just outside. An automated drop-down TV offered a touch of modern indulgence, and the walk-through robe with its built-in dressing table felt like a personal boutique. The ensuite was a spa-like sanctuary, with a rain shower and a deep, circular freestanding bath that promised hours of blissful escape. main residence also housed 3 more spacious bedrooms, each thoughtfully designed and serviced by a contemporary bathroom that felt both minimalist and luxurious. Skylights filled the space with natural light, highlighting the full-height limestone tiling and a second rain shower. It was a home designed not just for its primary occupants, but for all who entered, a testament to a hospitality as grand as its architecture. Separated from the main house, a 2-bedroom retreat stood as a private haven. With its own open-plan living and dining area, a soaring ceiling, and private deck, it offered a secluded space for guests or extended family. From its rear balcony, one could gaze toward the seasonal creek, a gentle reminder of the land's rhythm. It was a microcosm of the main house, offering the same high-end finishes and tranquil atmosphere in a more intimate setting. Kooringal Lodge, for all its grand design and luxurious features, was more than just a magnificent structure. It was a home that offered a quiet escape while remaining tethered to the world. Its secluded cul-de-sac location provided a peaceful buffer, yet in a short drive, one could trade bushland for the pristine sands of Palm Beach or Kooringal. It was a home that balanced seclusion with convenience, a true modern holy grail of perfection, where every detail, from the sweeping driveway to the comprehensive home automation, was a note in a symphony of impeccable design.